helpers today. Today we're going to be making cucumber salad served over quinoa. Super refreshing, super delicious, and so easy. All you're going to need are cucumbers, red onions, tomatoes, limes, serrano peppers, mango, cilantro, Celtic salt, black beans, and corn. That is literally it, guys. So easy. Now, before you start, the most important step is make sure you wash your hands. Always start out with clean hands. Now, here on the side, we have sous chef Tema peeling our cucumbers and then handing it off to Lupe, who will then be chopping them up. Now, this part here is pretty self-explanatory. All you gotta do is chop up all your ingredients, however big or small you'd like the pieces to be. Throw them all in the bowl, and when you're done dicing, slicing, and chopping, you are ready to mix the ingredients. Now, if you're a parent, I know you're probably cringing watching my 8-year-old handle this ginormous knife. Don't worry, guys, I am literally right here watching every step of this process, and I actually trust Lupe. She is an incredible help in the kitchen. She knows her way around the kitchen. I trust her with a knife. I mean, that doesn't mean I'm going to leave her to cut things on her own, but I do trust her. She's pretty good. And kids, if you are watching this, do not try this at home without adult supervision. Make sure if you're going to be helping in the kitchen, especially if you're going to be cutting stuff, slicing or dicing, make sure mom and dad, one or the other, are around supervising when you are helping in the kitchen. And here is the last of the fresh ingredients going into our salad, the mango. Next up is corn and beans, and I actually have a thing that I do now that I usually never did before until my husband recommended that I start doing this, and I literally still don't know why, but now I just always do it. Is I actually take out the beans and the corn from the can, put it in a strainer, and I rinse it underwater before I add it to my dish. And here is the last 2 steps. Very, very important steps, which brings all the flavors together, which Lupe is doing so well, is you're going to need lime juice and you're going to need salt. Guys, if you're still using table salt, get rid of it. Replace your regular table salt with Celtic salt. It is so much better for you. Look at that, the vibrant colors and the flavors and the nutrients. I can't wait for you guys to try this. And from here you can build. We definitely like to eat it as is, paired with quinoa. But if you want to take it up to the next level, a baked sweet potato and a Beyond sausage, that combo is fire. But honestly, as is, it's so refreshing, so nutritious, so filling. It has all the nutrients and plenty of protein. You literally don't even need anything else. What do you think, Lupe?
It's perfect.
That is it, guys. Thanks for watching. In the description box below, you will find all the ingredients for this delicious recipe. If you have something similar or have already tried this, comment down below and let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you do enjoy this type of content, please consider subscribing to our channel or tell somebody about Polyvegan Kitchen. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and remember, no matter where you are on your journey, there's always room for you at our table right here on Polyvegan Kitchen.